All the French secret, it's true. So we love to put a lot of perfume on ourselves, on our clothes. The ultimate luxury, you know, to also perfume your bed. So put the drop in the toilet bowl before to go and put it after. Just put a lot of perfume before and after your heavy lunch and you have the solution. It's okay, we have solution for everything. So if you are a big lover of meat, spices, and you had a big lunch with a curry, there is a solution. Actually, you should wear spicy oriental fragrance. So for instance, at Maison, we have Amber Affair, which is full of cinnamon, spices. So they will blend really well with your body odor and they will turn it into something really positive. So just put a lot of perfume before and after your heavy lunch and you have the solution. 3 things. Always have a green apple in your bag. When you bite it, it will refresh your breath. Always have this little peppermint candy, you know, you can take time to times. And the killing thing is have a mask sanitizer. So we do it at Maison. We have this magic potion that contains natural peppermint, sage, ocean. So you take your mask and before to put it on you, you spray from the outside, you know, 3 spray. And then you apply on your face and you're gonna smell like so fresh for the whole day.
Okay, so Johanna, I'm preparing a wonderful dinner. I have a beautiful sea bass and I'm putting a bit of garlic and onion in my butter sauce. I change into this wonderful outfit and I realize my hands smell like garlic and onion and fish. What do I do?
Yeah, I know there are some smell when you cook, like with onion, garlic, it will stay on your hands forever. So for instance, at Maison, you can take a mix of sage and bergamot and put it on your hand, or you can use a very strong woody nut like cashmere wood that contains operamide and it will cancel the smell, or you can use aromatic nut like basilic or sage, you know, to counteract. All the French secret, it's true. So we love to put a lot of perfume on ourselves, on our clothes, but usually we have a second secret layer where you're gonna perfume your underwear outside with something sweet, oriental, aphrodisiac. We saw all the aphrodisiac smell like Vanilla Venus at Maison or Amber Affair, and it will be a nice surprise for your boyfriend or your husband. Now, I think it's the ultimate luxury, you know, to also perfume your bed. You have to know that a lot of scent ingredient can help you to sleep by relaxing you. So at Maison, for instance, we have this sleep potion. This is lavender and tonka bean together, so they will really relax you. You put a bit on your pillow. Also, you can use orange blossom. It will be also a very strong relaxant.
Okay, Johanna, so recently I just moved in with my boyfriend. How do I leave this constant fresh and clean sillage when I leave the bathroom without breaking the intimacy between the both of us?
The ultimate advice for the, you know, the toilet, where you want to keep a nice memory of you, is to use this magic toilet drop. I really recommend not to use the spray to cover it, the worst. So you need to prevent, as we say in the Chinese medicine. So put the drop in the toilet bowl before to go and put it after, and it will linger because this is essential oil, so it doesn't mix with water, so it will stay in the air and it has a very natural smell. We have this amazing oil burner where you use pure essential oil. So it's going to be very strong and it's going to cover very well the smell of tobacco. So use rose ritual as a pure oil, or Havana harvest, or sandalwood, or cedarwood. And if you are a guy, go with strong aromatic nut like sage, lavender, and amber woody nut like cashmere wood. It will complement really well with your tobacco smell and make it beautiful.